Good good afternoon, Sir Christian Blas. The topic for today is plastic is a packaging material. So, what are plastics? Plastic may be defined as any group of substance of natural or synthetic organ consistent chiefly of polymers of high molecular weight that can be molded into shape or form by heat and pressure. They usually consist of large molecules of organic materials, which are based on certain building blocks. Molecules undergo a process known as polymerization. A plastic or long chain polymer is produced. Other materials such as accelerator, initiators, solvent, and catalyst can be added during polymerization to improve the characteristics. So, advantage, at, ano yung advantage? Advantage niya is lightweight, reduced volume, no corrosion problems, and good resistant to mold and bacteria. Generally insert chemical, but we wary of solvent usually have good impact strength, difficult to break if breakage occurs. Fragments tend to be less hazardous than glass. Wide design and decorative possibilities. Disadvantage: no plastic is totally impermeable to moisture gases. Most plastic permit some passage of light, even highly fermented plastic and those with UV absorber are likely to let certain wavelength through. Many are difficult, clean to are liable to attract dust and dirt under unfavorable condition. Maybe, maybe, maybe permeable to or subject to attack by organic substance, particularly solvents. Subject to absorption according to formulation ingredient. Lightweight and thin wall section may be require specific production line handling. Fully effective closing system are sometimes difficult to achieve. Certain design may show paneling or cavitation. So, types of plastic. Thermoplastic polymers. These are heat softening materials which can be repeatedly made mobile and then reset solid state by cooling. Under condition of fabrication, they can be molded by temperature and pressure. Polyethylene, PVC, polystyrene, polypropylene, nylon, and polyester. Thermosetting polymer. These are polymer produced by a polymerization process involving curing or vulcanization stage during which the material becomes set to permanent state by heat and pressure. Further heating leading to decomposition of the plastic. Phenolics, melamine, urine, acetylene, epoxides, certain polyesters, polyurethanes, cross-linked polymers. Plastic used for packaging. High density polyethylene characteristic. Low cost, moderately flexible, stiffer, and has better barrier properties. Chemical resistant, poor clarity, translucent in natural state, can be tinted with any Apacu Apiacular, odorless and tasteless. Advantage, low cost, good moisture barrier, not attacked by most solvent. Disadvantage, poor barrier for oxygen and other gases. Odor and flavors are sometimes lost. Perfume or flavoring oil can transpire rapidly. Stress crack in the presence of some product. Application for wind wall blow molded container. Injection molding of closure rest. Rotation molding for large containers such as carboys. Industrial and consumer bags and thermofor tray. 2. Low density polyethylene. Odorless and tasteless, easily blended with such copolymers. Highly resistant to most solvents, poor barrier for gases. Softening temperature is around 210 Fahrenheit. Easily pigmented, good transparency, translucent, and waxy in thick water container. So ang advantage niya is flexible, moisture barrier, though chemical resistant, lightweight, low cost, heat sealable. So sa disadvantage naman is not practical for rigid container and flexible packages. Problem is flavor and odors, stress cracking, not recommended for oily product. Sa application naman ay use is feasible tubes and bottles, wrap and bags for different products. They're formed into trays frozen food, contains coating materials for bottle cartons, bacon wrap, and paperboard milk containers. So, so three is linear low density polyethylene. Characteristic niya is low cost, lightweight, superior toughness, rigid, flexible, moisture barrier, chemical and stress, crack resistant. Sa advantage naman is good tensile strength, puncture resistance, good impact and tear properties, stress cracking and warding resistant. For application naman is for large size bagging and wrapping operation. So, sa polypropylene, so characteristic niya naman is heat and chemical resistance, though ay rigid, resist oil and greases, stress crack resistance, fairly good barrier to moisture and gases, high melting point. Sa advantage naman is lightweight, low cost, less shrinkage. Sa disadvantage naman is low impact strength, sharp melting point. Sa application naman is widely used in closure of all kinds, suitable for some boil in bag package and containers. Standard plastic in molded containers. Five is vinyl chloride. So characteristic niya is crystal clear, low in impact strength, true and good puncture resistance, good barrier properties, retain odors and flavor using. Advantage, relatively inexpensive, thought clear. So disadvantage, corrosive when overheated, yellows when exposed to heat or UV light, scratches easily seen. Application, packaging for pharmaceutical and capsules, garment, box, and pallet, load wrapping application. Nylon, characteristic na nylon is structurally strong, relative low moisture absorption, good dimension stability, heat sealability. Sa disadvantage naman, sa advantage naman is clear, good barrier properties to gases, excellent stability at both high and low temperature. So disadvantage naman can be oxidized, causing nylon to lose strength. sa application is co-extracted with olefins to enhance packaging properties, coating on paper boards, paper and foils. Extrusion blow molded containers for hard to hold mechanical mechanisms. Polyester, polyester. Characteristic niya is excel in strength, toughness, and charity, resistant to weak acid-based bases and most solvents. Not good barrier for gases. Sa advantage niya naman is fairly stiff material, excellent transparency, excellent heat low, temperature and water resistant, excellent oil, chemical, and solvent resistance, excellent barrier to aroma and flavor. For disadvantage, poor seal property and high cost. Poly Polystyrene characteristic is crystal clear and very hard, brittle, and rigid. Low melting point of 190 Fahrenheit or impact strength, not good barrier for moisture or gases, odorless and tasteless. Use. Sa advantage naman is clear and lightweight, low in cost, easily molded, terraformed, and extra form feel. Accept printing, metallizing, and host stamping. For disadvantage is slight tendency to shrink, discolor is in strong sunlight, can craze and become cloudy, build up static change easily. Application is bottles for pharmaceutical tablets and capsule in molding. Number nine is polycarbonate. So good charity impact, ductility and low controllable, mold shrinkage, sterilizable and tolerates gamma radiation. High-priced material. Ang advantage niya naman is bit clarity, tautness, and high softening temperature. Dimensionally stable and processable, odorless and non-staining. Disadvantage, high cost, high permeation of moisture and gases, sensitive to oxygen and carbon dioxide. So, plastic processing. Injection molding grains of polymer are mixed and heated by a cool screw in a machine and injected under a high pressure into a cool mold. So, as you can see in this picture, ito yung dito dito na nangyayari yung pagmold. So, syempre, andito yung cover. Ito yung gagawing pang mold, yung molding powder, like in this picture. Then itong screw, ito yung magtutulak para ipunta dito sa hulmahan yung powder na nakalagay sa molding. So, dito, tutulak niya para mapunta dito sa mold, then mold, heat, then dito na siya mabubuo. Sa two compression molding, powdered resin is put into heated mold. Mold closes under high pressure. Plastic cures in a minute, then molds open. So, as you can see in this picture, etong gravity, ito yung pang mold din na sa ilalim siya. Then yung compound, ito yung parang powder din na gagawin nilang mold. So, ito naman yung force plug. So, ito yung force plug is, siya yung magtutulak pababa para mamold yung powder dito sa molder. So, dito sa pangalawang picture, may kita nyo na bumaba na siya, na tinulak niya na pababa para mahulma yung isang bagay na ginagawa. Then, after that, tapos ma-mold, aangat lang ulit, then, ngayon, mamamold na siya. Rotational molding, also called rotomolding or rotational casting produces seamless, hollow parts of uniform thickness and without the internal stresses that can be created during conventional molding or thermoforming. So, as you can see ulit in this picture, ito yung rotational molding process. Yan. So, ito yung una, yung part na plastic adhesion, yung molding, ito. So, maglalagay ulit ng mold, yan, ng mga powder, dito ilalagay, and then, tatakpan, tapos iikot siya. Tapos, dito naman sa pangalawa, process sa heating station, dito na yung mangyayari yung mold na tinatawag. Kasi, iinitan siya, then sa pressure. Then, after that, pagtapos na dito sa heating station, heating process, ikot naman siya papunta dito sa cooling station. So, pinapahupa niya na lang yung init para para pinapahupa niya na yung init dahil sa pag-mold is mainit yon. So, para pagtapos na yung mold is isi-separate na. So, sa cooling station. So blow molding, similar to glass making, and use either or single or two-stage process for producing bottles. Extrusion blow molding continuously extruded tube of softener polymer trapped between two halves of mold and inflated by compressed air to the shape of mold. So dito po sa picture naman is ito yung tinatawag na extruder. Then ito blow pin. Tapos ito yung mold. Ito yung parang dalawang bakal. Yan. Then after that, yung extruder, yung blow pin, papasok dito. Then ibublow niya yung pang moldan para makagawa ng isang bottle. Then, as you can see in this picture, ito, um, dirito na siya sa pangalawa. So, na-blow niya na. Then, after that, makikita mo na sa pangatlo, um, nabuo na siya after ma-blow. Then, isisip, then ilalagay na sa tabi, yung mga tapos ng i-mold. Then, stretch blow molding. Stretch blow molding, preform inject is injection or extrusion, reheated to produce biaxial orientation of the molecules, and finally stretch blow. Injection blow molding. Polymers is injection molded around blowing stick, then transferred to blowing mold. Compressed air is used from final shape of container. So, parang same lang sila ng, I mean, stretch. So, same lang din sila ng kanina. Na ganun lang din siya. So, glow stick, then ito yung parang gamit na isi-shape as a glass or bottle. Then, ilalagay siya dito sa molding. Then, itong glow stick or machine, i-blow niya to shape the bottles. Then, after that, after ma-blow, ito na, na-shape na siya as a bottle, glass bottle. Then isi-separate na yung mga naaayos. Diba? Thermoforming. Film is softened over a mold and vacuum or pressure is applied. So dito naman na iba yung process na paggawa. So ito yung heater. So may dalawang clamp. Then ibang mold naman to. So, ito yung heater, yung clamp niya, then iba-vacuum para mamold yung isang bagay na ginagawa nila or yung isang material. So, typical technologies of converting to give a new processing to yield new venue on rolls that they would in this substrate, which are plastics, film sheet, paper, and cloth. Coating, then membrane that is coated liquid or film sheet. Process of applying one or more layers of polymer, lattices, or polymer melt to the surface of substrate. Laminating, made multiple layers by adhesive extraction, molding resin. Printing to express conveyance of eye information and ornament. Then, for metallizing, metals are vaporized and adhere to substance. Number five, embossing. Offset of concave convex design to substrate by embossing to make soft peeling and matte surface. Slitting. Film sheet is continuously slit constant position with of the product for secondary processing. Seven, winding is set purpose to adjust edge of roll product and get rid rejected part. So, ito is continuance ng plastic. So, plasticizers, plasticizer, plasticizers, fillers, extenders, lubricant, and stabilizer, UV absorber, slip additives, anti-slip additives, anti-blocking agents, colorants, pigment, and yes, antiagents, antiagents, internal release agent, inhibitors, and toughening agent impacts modifiers, and flame retarding agent, opacifers, whitening agent, agnet. So, plasticizers. Plasticizers are improve the flow properties of material, increases softness and flexibility. They are found mainly in polyvinyl chloride and the celluloses. The most common PVC plastic are state esters, sebacate, adip esters, polymeric plasticizers, fillers. Filler is an insert solid substance. Carbon black chalk or calcium C, carbonate, China clay, silical, magnesium carbonate. The maximum limit of filler is up to 1:1 ratio, which is the binding. Toughening agent impact of modifiers. A few plastic which tend to be naturally brittle require improved into both their drop impact strength and their loading strength. In the case of polystyrene, rubber is widely used as an impact modifier. Rigid PVC, when used container, may suffer weakness when subjected of 3 to 4 feet drop test. I hence 15% of methyl met, methacrylate, butadiene, cityrene, copolymers is added to improve impact strength. Lubricants nyo naman. Lubricants may be added either as an adhesive or the fabrication stage as a processing aid. In general, lubricant prevent adhesion with metal part. Lubricant may also improve the flow of thereby lower the temperature of molding operation. In silicone polydimethyl siloxane may be used in LPD, HPD film to improve flow. Lubricant may be liquid such as waxes, Stearates or liquid such as liquid paraffin. Sa stabilizers naman is stabilizers increase the stability of plastic either during or or during the molded life of the material. Stabilizers are frequently used to combat to combine of heat, F heat, highlight. UV absorber may be used for two reasons. One, to protect the plastic from UV degradation. Two is to prevent the product degradation due to UV rays passing through the plastic. And chemical UV absorber may be based on substitute phenols or benzopenones. Iron oxide, carbon are also used. Sleep additives. Sleep additives are widely used for films, either made or as on relatively high-speed equipment where any non-sleep or properties might be detrimental to output. The most used sleep additives are oleamide, stramide, since they operate off the film surface, they can be physically removed by ambarism. Anti-slip additives. They were primarily developed to provide good bonding for pallet side loads of plastic sacks bag without the additive plastic sacks would tend to the stock. Slide off when the pallet is moved or jerked. Anti-blockage. Blockage. Both real wood sheet track materials may be difficult to separate due to blocking. They may be caused by smoothness or to surface giving surface addition. It can be prevented by incorporation of finely divided silica or diatomacous earth antioxidants used to prevent additive degradation of certain plastic polymers may be subject to various forms oxidative attack during all stages of their life cycle. Colorants, GSI pigment are used. So sa extenders, there's are some what similar to fillers. They are used to lower substitute for plastic. Internal release agent. This agent is someone particular lubricant is that they provide release particular from metal mode, zinc, calcium, magnesium stearate inhibitors used to prevent microbial growth. So, ito yung picture yung example ng ano, sa plastic na mga minumol. Plastic used for pharma packaging. Plastic container, plastic collapsible tube, and plastic closures, blister material, plastic pouch. So plastic containers advantage, easily formed, freedom of design, extreme resistant to breakage, lightweight. So itong sample is ito yung parang karaniwang makikita natin ngayon. Mga bottles like example of um, mga gamit gamit ng mga tao usually sa mga face yung mga bottle na ginagamit nila is mabilis na lang mabilis mapalabas yung isang bagay sa loob ng isang plastic bottle. So i-squeeze mo lang then magagamit mo yun. So, ito naman is plastic collapsible tubes. Advantage, low in cost, light in weight, durable, flexible, pleasant to touch, unbreakable, leak proof, odorless, insert to most chemicals, able to retain their shape, through throughout their use. Unique suckback feature. Disadvantage niya is permeation of gases. So ito, natural na ito makikita natin dito. So, yung iba, pangmukha, yung iba, mga, mga sunscreen, usually ganun. Then, mga gamit sa mukha, yung iba. Then, itong plastic collab tubes, para easy sabi, is madali na lang siyang gamitin. Kumbaga, isang squeeze mo lang, lalabas na yung isang bagay dun sa loob ng isang tube na gagamitin mo. So, gaya dito sa advantage niya, yung lightweight. So, as you can see, magaan naman siya. Then, anytime, pwede mo siyang madala. And then, so, yun lang. So, yun lang po. Thank you for listening, Sir Christian Emerson. Engineer Christian Emerson Blas. And I'm Jordan Kinal, representing the topic of plastic as a packaging material. Ano lang po. Thank you po. Oh, nawala na eh. Nasa Zoom. Nagre-record pa. Ito,